Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Crane. I want to review in this video the chunks that we've learned and their sounds. Digraph is another word for that, but that's the fancy word. We just use chunks. So I want to go through those really quickly, so if you need to review, you can just come to this video at any time and review them with me. Okay, this is CH, and remember chunks? It's two letters together that make one sound. CH. CH says ch, 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 choo, choo. TH. TH says and remember with TH it makes two sounds. It has a hard sound and a soft sound like your thumb. Remember when you're saying the TH sound that you stick your tongue out to make that sound. One, you use your voice. The other is just soft. You turn your voice off. SH. SH says shh. WH. WH says wah, 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 like we're so tired from running. Thank you.